Hey guys, welcome back to Earl's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to air fry a New York strip perfectly, just like this one. And if you want to get New York strips like the ones I use in my kitchen, make sure you click the link down below and go to Savory Butcher and order your own. But also make sure you like and subscribe because I'm going to show you exactly how to make an Asian infused chili garlic New York strip right here on this episode of Earl's Kitchen. See you there. Okay, so we've got our air fryer preheating at 400 degrees. This air fryer will run on broil, bake, air crisp, and pressure cook, but we're just going to use air crisp for today. It's only going to take about 8 minutes to do this beautiful New York strip from Savory Butcher. But the first thing you want to do is you want to actually blot this thing off. You want to get that excess moisture off of there because we're going to make a little Asian infused garlic chili rub that we're going to put on, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So a lot of people might want to take this and you can put it in this rub that I'm going to show you how to make, rub/marinade, and you might want to let it sit in your fridge for an hour, but you know what? Most of us don't have a ton of time, so I'm going to show you how to do it really quick and easy right now in my kitchen. So we're going to start with a bowl right here. You're going to need a tablespoon and a teaspoon, okay? And we're going to add a little bit of Worcester. Actually, you know what? Let's start with our dry goods first. We're going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. It doesn't have to be packed really tight, but we're just going to put that in there. Then we're going to go with a tablespoon of Worcester sauce. I love Worcester. I love the flavor that it brings out in beef. And because this is Asian inspired also, we're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Right like that to our brown sugar. Then we're going to go to the piece de resistance, which is the garlic chili. Now you can get the straight chili. I like the chili garlic mix here. It has great flavor, and because I added a little brown sugar, that's going to cut down on the spiciness. But this is where we're going to use our teaspoon. We're just going to go with a teaspoon of this right in there. I've already patted this thing dry, so we're going to give this a quick little whisk in the bowl. Man. Oh, I love those smells, especially the Worcester, the way that brings it out. But you know it's going to be good on the steak. The other reason for patting it dry is because now I'm going to be able to take this drier New York strip. I'm going to put it right in here. I'm going to roll it around. I'm going to make sure I got it on all the edges. And you know, you've got enough here to probably do 2 steaks, but we're just going to do the one for today. We'll set that back out like that. Give our hands a quick dry. Throw this over here. Now, I've taken a regular old Canadian steak seasoning. I like it because it has the bigger chunks of garlic, the bigger chunks of salt and stuff like that. And I just like how it works with my steak. So we're just going to coat that on both sides. And this marinade got soaked right up into the steak because I had dried it off ahead of time. I'm going to take this beauty right here, and we're going to go into the air fryer. But you might notice I have a non-stick basket in my air fryer. I like to hit it with just a little bit of cooking spray because I don't like to do cleanup. I cook too much and I hate doing the cleanup. And I don't have a helper, but we're going to put this beauty right down in here. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. And we'll close the lid, and we're just going to set this air fryer right here at 400 degrees. And we're going to set it for 8 minutes and get her started. So at 4 minutes, we're going to turn the steak over, and I'll see you back here in just a sec. All right, 4 minutes. Look at this. Oh, man. You hear that sizzle? That is beautiful. Ooh, that looks so good. It's getting that nice crispness to it, that smell coming off. 4 more minutes. We're going to be eating after it rests, but I'll see you then. All right, this is done. Ooh, look at that. I love the smells. You can smell the Worcester, the soy sauce, the chili garlic. You can pick up just that brown sugar too, the richness that comes from that. But this steak is beautiful. So now we got to do the hard part. This is the hardest part of the whole 8 minutes, is we've got to set it down and we've got to leave it alone. Let it rest because it's going to continue cooking. for about 5 minutes. This thing's gonna be perfect. Then we're gonna cut it up and we're gonna eat it. So I'll see you back here in just a few minutes. All right, we are here and this steak has been resting, this beautiful Savory Butcher steak, and it is time to cut it, which means it's also time to eat. But let's take a look here at this steak. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Just tears apart. But you know what? The best part about this job is eating it. Wow. So the smokiness of the Worcester hits you right away. And then that subtle sweetness of the brown sugar and the richness. Oh my gosh. This steak is so juicy. Hey, I'm Earl, this is my kitchen. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. Can't wait to see you next time. I'm gonna eat some New York strip.